Hey guys, what is happening? It's Daniel, the Aussie Super Affiliate, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Proof on your WordPress website. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so I'm logged in on Proof right now. There is a small fee involved in getting Proof. If you want to know all about Proof and how it kind of works and all that, I'll put a link in the description for a video on the review and how it kind of works. This is just how to install it, so let's get started. Head over to Campaigns, and in Campaigns, once you've got Proof, you'll be able to see the different ones that you've got. So I've set up two for my website. So in here we've got where it's captured and when it's going to be displayed. So basically this is choosing which pages you want to capture the information and where you want to display those pop-ups that come up. So Use Proof is basically showing this pop-up on the left-hand corner. What you want to do then is, once you've set that up, is go to the Pixel install. You want to copy it to the clipboard. This code is basically, going to show the information on your website, and it's going to collect all of the data to show it. So what we're going to do is then go into the WordPress editor after I've copied that link, and then I'm going to paste it in the pages that I want it to show and capture information. So very simple. We're going to go down to the bottom of the page. You'll see I've got this little area here I've set up, and we're going to paste it right in here. So I don't need that first bit, but just to show you. And that's it. So basically now that's going to capture the information and it's going to display it if I decided that's what I wanted, and that's in these settings here. So pretty simple. Check that out. I've got a video on this. I will put it in the description so you can check it out as well. Alright guys, so if you haven't already got Proof, check out the link in the description below. You'll get 10% off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for my next video and have an awesome day.